So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another stream, and things are happening on the market. But first, let me ask you two things, okay? Let me know in the comments, which should be on, if you're watching on this side, I think. Let me know in the comment, or this side, I don't know. Somewhere here, just put in the comments where you are watching from. This is live. This is 11:30 p.m. in Dubai. Yes, it's the United Arab Emirates, my home, right? So welcome from here. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from. And there's some space news that I want to talk about. Two things that I want to talk about space, basically. And then I also want to dive in the overall market, because the overall market is quite on a volatility, right? Okay. And I just posted it on my Instagram, I think. So follow me also on Instagram. There is, and smash the like button, please. This is always highly appreciated. You know, a good investor always welcomes volatility. Why? Because this always offers new opportunities on the market. Some stocks that were super hot over the last couple of weeks are now getting quite interesting in the price, right? I just saw a graphic. I haven't seen it since a couple of days, and I didn't save it, but it was showing that most of the stocks in the S&P, for example, are 10 or more % off their 52 weeks high. This is very interesting, in my personal opinion. If you consider that overall we should have a rally towards December, January, and so on. Some people say maybe it will be a December like 2018. What happened December 2018 was first, a dump of about 8%. Until then, we went up. So maybe we see something like this. There's a couple of risks. The Fed, right? The inflation data that come out. Friday is the job market, as every first Friday of every month. So it could be quite interesting on the overall spectrum horizon that is happening here. Okay, very interesting. However, let's have a look into the market. So we started quite strong. If you're following me on Instagram, or even better, if you are in our Discord, there's 50% off with Thanks 50 just until the end of the week. So you can jump in for 50% off. You get also an online course on stocks, from how to trade stocks, how to find these gems, what I looked when I found Tesla very early, and so on. A very big case study on Virgin Galactic as well. Check out the links into the description and in the comments. I will post it there. And there I actually posted something. Let me see if I posted, and I will show you how it looked like, just to show you what happens behind the scenes while I'm not streaming or posting a vlog. So here, for example, in our Discord, we have a channel called Option Trading, and there I posted that I just buy. You know, I buy for, what is it here? I bought yesterday for 7,000 euros some call options on the S&P 500 when it was minus 1.9 approximately. And it should be green tomorrow. This was my thinking, because of statistic, because of the movement of the market. And then what happened, those gained about 2,000 euros just today. So it's a nice little gain. Or what means still 2,000 euros is a lot of money, right? Some people live out of 2,000 euros, which is about $2.3K. And this kind of things I'm posting before anything else there as well. So if you are interested into something like this, you should definitely join as well. Now, enough advertising. Don't buy anything from me. Let's have a look what happens in the general market. Okay, macro. Let's have a look into macro. Okay, macro, you have seen that the S&P 500 started strong over the day, gained, and then gave up all the gains because apparently there's always a reason, right? If the market goes down, there's always people finding reasons what's happening. And, the main reason now is the new C version that is confirmed in the US. And then people are apparently freaked out. I mean, this was, as I said this a couple of streams ago, this was, obviously logical if you are having cases in Europe already and this person who got detained was there for 10 days after he came back from South Africa. Don't think he infected some people? Obviously. That's so logical. This is a news that is not a news, okay? It's like it was underground already confirmed. So I think about, depending on the data tomorrow, like the news, the job market, the job claims, and also the job market data on Friday, plus the inflation data, that could be interesting entry point again into maybe a weaker stock market, okay? While we are at that, let's have a look quickly because I'm interested into the inflation data. Economic calendar. And let's have a look. Guys, keep on, let me know where you are watching from, okay? We have people from Germany, Toronto, Connecticut, our member from Denmark, Jasper Hansen, thank you very much for being a member. This is meaning a lot for this channel. Australia, Russia, Lithuania, Denmark, Chicago, Wisconsin, Scotland, Florida, and Arizona. Yeah! Okay, let's have a look into the calendar real quick to see when actually we will get the inflation data. This is something interesting for me, and I think this is quite what could move the markets. I want to see only the United States, how I clear, and then I want to see only the US, and then I want to see the employment and inflation. Confidence. Okay, let's have a look what we see. Okay, okay. So we got already the numbers of the manufacturing. Oh no, this is today. Sorry. Let's have a look this week. So here we go. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we have here the initial jobless claims, which are very important. You can see 3 stars, very important. This is basically a report that gives us the jobless claims every single week, every single Thursday, okay? And then we have Friday, the even more important non-farm payrolls, the overall job markets, government payrolls, earnings per hour, and so on. Very big inflation data, unemployment rate, very, very big on Friday. And then we should have something else. Was this already it? Let me have a look. Yeah, and then maybe the non-manufacturing employment. So yeah, and I think this is the inflation data. I mean, manufacturing prices was a little bit higher than expected. No, lower than expected. 82 versus 85. Okay, but this didn't apparently make so much noise on the market. The headlines are the C version or the new C version of the global pandemic, right? We have also people from Wisconsin, Russia, Northern Ireland, Lithuania, and Chicago. Let's dive now into space. There's actually big news on the horizon for the space industry. The White House unveils the space priorities framework as VP Vice President Kamala Harris leads first Space Council meeting. So what does it mean in plain words? The US government just established a new kind of work group headed by VP Kamala Harris, and they are actually, looking to, into space. Okay, this is very big, guys. This is big news. I think this is the biggest initiative in terms of funding, in terms of interest, in terms of space industry since the Apollo program, in my personal opinion. Okay, the Apollo program was still bigger and, you know, a big accomplishment, but this, you know, it seems like they want to focus more on space, which is great for Virgin Galactic, because this means that more government entities like NASA and also the clients of Virgin Galactic gets more funding, which they can spend more with Virgin Galactic in the end, right? Remember, there's just 3 companies out there: SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic. Okay, those 3 companies are leading the space race, and Virgin Galactic flies on regular basis research missions for NASA, which brings a lot of money. So this is very, very, very good. Okay, I listened a little bit to the speech. I don't like those speeches too much, to be honest, you know, because it's like blah blah blah. I read from a teleprompter, blah 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 blah. Okay, this is what I understand from that. Yeah, and here you can see that it will support domestic and international efforts to address the climate crisis as well. You know, they want to see how the climate is changing from space. Obviously, they want to be also, this is in national security reason as well. Obviously, you know, they want to be in line against China, Russia, who are very, very much going forward into space as well. So quite interesting what's happening there. However, this haven't really helped Virgin Galactic, and there is actually the second point. We are coming soon to a very ridiculous blah 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 blah. We are coming to a very ridiculous price for Virgin Galactic. Okay, as of this moment, and just to say it out loud, we are just 50% over the IPO price, the spec price of $10. This is very, 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 very light. This is very, very cheap. And I hope for many people out there that bought for 40, 50, there's frustration, yes, but now you have the chance. Now you have the chance to average down. And when Virgin Galactic goes back up, and it will go, there's no freaking chance this stock stays at 15 if they execute it well as planned. And they will. There's nothing that will stop them to really perform. And then what happened to this stock? It will go to 100, 150, and you will have a 10-bagger if you can reduce your average. This is what I'm doing. I'm not advising here, obviously no financial advice, but this is always how it ever worked for every big investor. They found a great company, it went down. It happened also for Peter Lynch, it happened for Warren Buffett, and in the end, they were patient over many, many years, and they were rewarded heavily. Okay, this is the story of investing, guys. And this is the 2 things that I wanted to share with you. First, the space program, very, very important. And second, the ridiculous price. We are now in a market cap of $3.95 billion for one of the top 3 space companies in the whole world. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is really, really, really cheap. Okay, more I don't have to say because there's no news, but the price can go even further down, and as more as it goes, you will get more stocks for your buck, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, then another stock that I also very like, and soon there will be the earnings, which usually are out of this world. Lovesec. Okay, minus 6.8%, fantastic company, and they are reporting soon, and I think the numbers will be stellar. So also here, great opportunities. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram. There's so much I'm sharing there as well during the day. Smash that like button, please. If this gorilla means something to you, smash the like button. And as more likes we have, as faster space go to the moon. And check out below the X10 Masterclass if you're interested to join our behind the scenes community where I'm sharing much more. And with that said, have a fantastic